go. What is good, everybody? And we're back with another video. This time with us, we have the first ever CNG bike in the world that has been manufactured by an Indian company, Bajaj. Yes, we're talking about the Freedom 125. The bike comes in three different variants. The base variant comes with drum brake and halogen light setup. The mid variant comes with drum brakes and LED light setup. And the top variant comes with disc brake and LED light setup with slightly bigger LCD instrument cluster. The price of the base variant starts from 95,000 at showroom, and the price of mid variant starts from 1,05,000 at showroom, and the price of top variant starts from 1,10,000 at showroom, Delhi. Now, before going into the detail of this video, into the detail of this motorcycle, first and foremost, let me address this concern that a lot of people are having. A lot of people are getting skeptical that now since the bike is having a CNG tank right below the seat, is it safe? So let me tell you, the bike has been manufactured by Bajaj, और Bajaj काफी टाइम से थ्री व्हीलर और ऑटो बना रहे हैं CNG के, जिसमें भी द सिलेंडर हैज बीन प्लेस्ड राइट बिलो द पैसेंजर सीट, और काफी साल से वो ऑटोस बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली चल रहे हैं, उसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड regarding this bike also, Bajaj has done a hell lot of tests just for the sake of safety of this bike and the passengers that will be riding this bike. एक टेस्ट में तो उन्होंने एक 10 टन के ट्रक को भी इस बाइक के ऊपर चला दिया था, फिर भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई कि टैंक को. आई होप वो वीडियो काफी वायरल हुआ था, एंड आई होप आप लोगों ने भी इंटरनेट पे वो वीडियो देखा हो. एंड द रिव्यूज एंड फीडबैक्स दैट हैज बीन कमिंग अक्रॉस ऑन द इंटरनेट आल्सो एंड टू द पीपल वी टॉक who are using this bike for quite few months now, उन लोगों का भी रिव्यू काफी सही है. So in terms of safety, you don't have to worry about it. You can go with it. Rest, what are the other advantages and disadvantages of having this bike that we'll talk about in this video in detail. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. At the front, you get 90 section 17-inch tubeless tire and alloy wheels. And you also get, since this is the top model, you also get disc brake at the front. This is your telescopic suspension, and these are your suspension sleeves that has been provided here to protect the dust particles from getting into the seal of the suspension. ये बहुत ही यूजफुल होता है. लुक्स को तो ये काफी एनहांस करता है, रोड प्रेजेंस को बढ़ाता है बाइक की. प्लस इसकी जो प्रैक्टिकल फंक्शनैलिटी है, दैट आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू दैट इट प्रोटेक्ट डस्ट पार्टिकल और धूल मिट्टी को वो जाने से रोकता है सस्पेंशन की सील में, वरना इट कैन लेड टू वेयर एंड डैमेज ऑफ द सस्पेंशन सील. तो इससे काफी हद तक आपके जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स है वो रुकते हैं फ्रॉम गेटिंग इनटू द सस्पेंशन. एंड दिस लुक्स वेरी नाइस ऑल्सो. हियर इज योर फ्रीडम बैजिंग और ई में, एज यू कैन सी फॉर योरसेल्फ, इज अ ट्राई कलर इंडियन फ्लैग here, so that looks very nice. Obviously, when we talk about the light setup, you get LED light setup. The shape of the light is a bit different. It's not round in shape, it's a bit different. As you can see, above you get the high beam and lower you get the low beam. These are your halogen turn indicators. Now talking about the engine, this bike is having 124.5 cc of air cooled engine, 9.5 ps is the power, and 9.7 newton meter is the maximum torque that this engine can produce. And as you can see, the engine is in a horizontal position. थोड़ा लेटा हुआ है engine. अब इसके पीछे भी reason है, because the CNG tank has been fitted here. तो उसको एडजस्ट करने के लिए इंजन को इस तरीके से रखा गया है यहाँ पे. बाय द वे, दिस इज अ न्यूली डेवलप्ड इंजन. ये किसी और बाइक में बजाज की आपको इंजन देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. इट्स अ न्यूली डेवलप्ड इंजन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर मोटरसाइकिल ओनली. और ऑलरेडी बिकॉज ऑफ द CNG टैंक, इस बाइक का वेट भी बहुत बड़ा है, इस बाइक की सीट हाइट भी बहुत बड़ी है. द सीट हाइट दैट दिस बाइक इज हैविंग इज 825 mm. समझ रहे हो? मतलब काफी एडवेंचर बाइक की भी उतनी सीट हाइट में होती है जितनी इस कम्यूटर सेगमेंट बाइक की है. So if you are 5 feet 6 inches and above, तो I feel आपको उतनी ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी. But if you are below 5 feet 6 inches, then this bike is going to be a little bit difficult for you. But if you want to save your money, if you want to get economical, because this bike is known for its economical purposes, so you can definitely go with this bike. Here is your kick. You get kick here as well, which is very nice for a commuter segment motorcycle. This is your crash guard. The quality of crash guard is also very nice. These are your rear brakes, your foot peg. Now this bike comes with CBS technology, that is combi braking system. So if you want to apply your rear brakes, तो आपके दोनों brake apply हो. And this part right here is your engine protector, or it also protects your exhaust pipe. Talking about the rear tire, you get 120 section 16-inch tubeless tire and alloy wheels in the top variant of this motorcycle. And at the rear, you get 130 mm of drum brake. If you're thinking that since this is a CNG motorcycle, it's going to be very economical, it's going to be a very pocket-friendly bike, let me tell you, the price of this motorcycle is almost 15 to 20,000 more than its competitors in the market. तो अगर आपकी डेली कम्यूटिंग सिर्फ 20-25 किलोमीटर की है तो वो जो डिफरेंस है वो कवर करने में आपको 2 से 3 साल लग जाए. ओनली दिस बाइक विल बी एबल टू सेव योर मनी. अगर आपकी डेली कम्यूटिंग इज अराउंड 50 टू 60 किलोमीटर्स तो आपका 1 साल या उससे कम टाइम में भी वो जो डिफरेंस है पैसों का वो कवर हो सकता है. लेट्स नाउ गेट टू नो दिस बाइक बिट मोर by having a closer look into it. These are your alloy wheels. Your alloys look something like this. Your tubeless tire. These are your disc brake, your telescopic suspension. This is the fork sleeve, the functionality of which I've told you already. Your freedom badging, the LED light setup, high beam, low beam, your halogen turn indicators that has been provided here. Now coming towards the instrument cluster of this bike, which is fully digital. You get this LCD screen. Now one thing about this that I don't like is that it obviously get the CNG indicator here, but it is not having the fuel gauge. तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपका पेट्रोल जो है वो कितना है कितना नहीं है इस बाइक में, which I feel should be here, but अभी तो CNG वाला भी नहीं दिख रहा कहाँ गया. Oh, because it is on the petrol mode. When we switch it, now you have this. And as you go into the petrol mode, it's gone. When you come back, the CNG indicator is here. But your fuel gauge is not here, which is not fair with petrol, is what I feel. Now these are your switches, your high beam, low beam. Now with this, you can switch between CNG and petrol. It's that easy. You can switch this on the go also. आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि रुकना पड़ेगा या कोई अलग से प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है. आप चलते चलते बस इस बटन को प्रेस करो. You are now on CNG and you are now on petrol. It's this simple. You also get this USB charging port right here. Yeah. This is your USB charging port. Talking about this thing right here. Now the quality of this is थोड़ी सी काम चलाओ. I am not liking it. This is where your petrol goes and this is where your CNG goes. See, इसकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. मतलब बाइक ओवरऑल काफ़ी सही है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग. दिस इज योर बहुत ही बड़ी सीट जो एक बार शुरू होती है तो खत्म होने का नाम नहीं लेती है. यू कैन सी गाइज, फ्रंट जो बंदा है जो बाइक चलाने वाला है वो आपका इतने एरिया में आ जाएगा. उसके बाद भी कितनी सारी जगह बची है. नाउ दिस इज very smartly designed by the Bajaj engineers and designers to hide this area because your tank is right below this. Now it Bajaj badging right here, graphics right here. As you can see, this is the placement of your engine. This is your crash guard. Its quality is also decent enough. It's not bad. These are your foot peg. Now these are your gears. Your gearbox are here. The sari guard that has been provided here. Now this is your exposed trellis frame जिस पे ये बाइक बनी है. Now this is not, again, it's not only to increase or enhance its road presence, but ये frame भी इसलिए यहाँ पे यूज किया गया है so that the CNG cylinder can get fitted into it. That I'll show you अभी. Now these hooks again to tie your luggage or whatever you want to tie here. Mostly आपको adventure bikes में और touring bike में ये चीजें देखने को मिलेंगी, but Bajaj has provided this in a 120cc motorcycle. That's very nice. This is your grab rail. From the rear, it looks something like this. Again, your halogen turn indicators. The tail light is LED. The quality of fender is also very nice. Fit and finish में थोड़ा सा लैग करा है, but quality almost मेरे को हर चीज़ की बहुत अच्छी लगी है, except this thing. As I've told you already, this is your exhaust pipe. It looks something like this. Now again, very interesting things. This rear monoshock absorber right here. ये भी आपको थोड़ी सी महंगी बाइक में इस तरीके का डिजाइन आपको देखने को मिलेगा, बट जस्ट टू मेक दिस बाइक मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिकल, बजाज ने काफी सारी चीजें इस तरीके से डिजाइन करी हैं कि इसका जो हैवी वेट है, बाय द वे दिस बाइक वेज 145 kilograms, which is much heavier as compared to other bikes in the same segment in the market that the other brands are offering. उसका भी यही रीजन है क्योंकि ये एक CNG बाइक है और इसमें जो CNG सिलेंडर यूज हुआ है अकेले उसका वेट 16 kilograms है. ऑल्दो उसकी कैपेसिटी सिर्फ 2 kilograms है, बट द वेट ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर इज 16 kilograms. रीजन वाई दिस बाइक इज वेइंग मोर देन द एवरेज बाइक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट. तो इन्हीं सब चीज़ों को एडजस्ट करने के लिए और थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल बनाने के लिए इस बाइक को काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो उस तरीके से डिज़ाइन की गई हैं कि ये सारी चीज़ें साथ में अच्छे से फिट हो सकें, अच्छे से बैठ सकें. एंड दिस मोनोशॉक एब्जॉर्बर इज़ वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स जो कि उस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है. इसी बात पे याद आया कि चाबी इसकी कुछ ऐसी है. These are your keys for freedom. 125, nothing fancy. Very simple, very cool. Now, this exposed trellis frame also looks very nice. I mean, it's not bad. Now, talking about the mirror, the shape of the mirror is something like this. Again, very unusual, very candid sort of design here. And now, talking about the seat height, which I've told you is 825 mm. As I sit on this motorcycle, my height is almost 5'10", and as you can see, I'm comfortably able to put my foot flat on the ground. But if you are around 5'7", 5'6", or below, then it's going to be difficult for you. Let me now show you the tank of this bike. You need to put your keys here, and here it opens up from here. Ta-da! So this is the 2 kilogram of CNG tank, as you can see. यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और ये काफी आगे तक जा रहा है इसमें. दैट इज वाई दिस ट्रेलिस फ्रेम इज हियर. ये जो सिलेंडर है ये बिल्कुल इन फ्रेम के बीच में फिट किया गया है, which is very safe. Let's now talk about how practical and economical is this bike going to be for you. See, one of the major disadvantages of this bike, according to me, is that this is a CNG motorcycle and you'll have to wait and stand in long queues in CNG stations because as of now, the CNG network is not that strong in India. Plus, one more thing, the seat height is very high. I feel Bajaj has tried its best कि जितना वो कर सकते थे उतना उन्होंने किया है. काफी नई नई चीजें डेवलप करी हैं. This exposed trellis frame, this horizontal placement of engine, और भी काफी चीजें उन्होंने करी हैं जिससे सीट हाइट काफी ऊपर ना जाए. But still, because of the CNG tank, seat height थोड़ी ऊंची है as compared to commuter segment bike. So if you're below 5 feet 6 inches, this bike is going to be difficult for you. These are two disadvantages of this bike, according to me. Rest, everything is fine. Rest, everything. I don't feel there's anything that should stop you from purchasing this motorcycle. But let's now talk about the range and mileage that this bike has been able to provide. Okay, so this bike is having two tanks. One is for petrol and one is for CNG. The CNG tank capacity is 2 kilograms and the fuel tank capacity where your petrol will go is 2 liters. So the company is claiming an average of 65 kilometers per liter. That makes an average of 130 kilometers on a fuel tank. And with this CNG tank, which is of 2 kilogram, the company is claiming that the bike will easily cover 200 kilometers. So in total, you will be getting 330 kilometers of range. So this is what the company claims. And according to the review of the people who are using this bike, उनके हिसाब से भी, if not 330, तो near around 280 to 300 किलोमीटर्स की रेंज ये बाइक आपको आराम से निकाल के दे रही है. तो अगर आप देखो तो आप 400 से 500 रुपए में, क्योंकि पेट्रोल और सीएनजी दोनों के प्राइस जो है वो वेरिएट करते हैं स्टेट टू स्टेट, तो 400 से 500 रुपए में you can easily cover around 300 kilometers, which is not bad. So all in all, this is a very nice product, very nice motorcycle that Bajaj has launched and become the first mover in launching a CNG motorcycle. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I've covered everything. If I missed out on anything, let us know in the comment section so that everybody else can also see this. And subscribe if you haven't yet, because we'll be bringing more of such content for you guys. Ride safe, be safe, peace out.